Right, we are walking down this alleyway, Ross Street, and we are going to hit that fortune cookie factory. Oh God, I can smell it. Oh wow, hey, oh my God. Entering the second oldest Chinatown in the world. We are here at the second oldest Chinatown in the world, and it happens to be in my hood, San Francisco, California. We're finally going to be playing tourist here, so we're really looking forward. We've got a lot of a DIY walking tour, and we hope you enjoy.
As we entered the iconic Dragon Gate on the south side into San Francisco's Chinatown, right at Grant Avenue and Bush Street, the iconic gate was a gift from Taiwan in the 1970s. This gate blends traditional Chinese design with that unmistakable San Francisco charm. We step into a world that feels both timeless and alive. Grant Avenue is one of the oldest streets in San Francisco. First laid out in 1835, it was once called DuPont Street and then renamed to Grant Avenue right after the devastating 1906 earthquake. We continue to stroll past the local stores and boutiques, browsing at souvenirs like a local tourist, admiring the hanging lanterns and faded signs, each detailed a brushstroke into Chinatown's living history. For a native San Francisco like myself, this walk wasn't just sightseeing, it was rediscovering the charm, the nostalgia, and the stories I thought I already knew. So far, from Binondo, Philippines' oldest Chinatown in the world, to San Francisco's charm, this Chinatown adventure felt both familiar and brand new.
Look at this right over here. Okay, before we continue on our journey route, we're gonna introduce ourselves with some dim sum. Hello, how are you? Hungry. Two.
Gotta have some power.
Wow, we just had a great lunch. We needed to re-energize. And right now we're heading up to the St. Mary's Cathedral up California Street. And talk about incline.
Oh my God, to show it, like going down.
Oh.
This is incline.
Oh God. Oh wow, look at that view.
As we continued our stroll after lunch, we hit California Street, the steep and steady incline up the hill that doesn't ask permission, it just rises in front of you. But hey, I'm a boomer on the move, still climbing, still curious. You know, halfway up, I can hear Tony Bennett in my head, where little cable cars climb halfway to the stars. And yeah, that line hits differently when your knees are part of the journey. But when you stop, catch your breath, and take it all in, you get it. The city doesn't just sit in your memories, it lives in your soul. No wonder people leave their hearts in San Francisco. We continued cutting through San Francisco's many narrow alleys, eventually reaching the top of the beautiful and the peaceful steps of the Grace Cathedral Church. We take a breather with a quiet pause above the hill, just reminding me of how lucky I am to live in the San Francisco Bay Area. Then off down Sacramento Street, letting the neighborhood guide us like old friends catching up.
Oh yeah. All right, we are walking down this alleyway, Ross Street, and we are going to hit that fortune cookie factory. Oh God, I can smell it. Oh.
Oh, I like those.
Follow the nose. Oh, there it is. Golden fortune cookie right there. Look right there. Oh. Yeah.
Oh, they got a little flower shop here.
Congratulations. Wow. We made it. The Golden Gate Fortune Cookie Company celebrating its 62nd anniversary. Oh, look,
Thank you.
oh, wow. Hey, oh my God.
From the bustling energy of Binondo to the hidden corners of San Francisco's Chinatown, this walking tour wasn't just a journey through two cities, it was a walk through time, culture, and one curious boomer still chasing meaning in every step. As a Philman boomer and San Francisco native, exploring my own backyard reminded me that travel isn't always about going far. Sometimes it's about slowing down and seeing things with fresh eyes. As the cable car rolls into the sunset, so does this story. But trust me, there's more around the corner. This isn't tourist travel, this is freestyle travelers. Still moving, still curious, still unscripted. Let's go wherever it feels right. If you enjoyed this walk, hit the like and comment, and subscribe for more slow travel, real talk, and soulful city strolls.